Live from Cleveland in the heart of beautiful Ohio, it's What's Cooking? Now say hello to your favorite chef, Giuliana Romano. Here's Giuliana.
What's going on? Where's Giuliana?
Olivia, I just ate something bad. I'm sick and can't come to the studio. Jimmy, quick, go to tape. Hey, there's Hank. Let's get him to do it.
The sports reporter? Are you kidding me? Has he ever even cooked anything?
I don't know, and I don't care. Look, we have no choice. He's the only one who is here right now.
This is a recipe for disaster.
Funny, funny. You just stay behind the camera.
Hi there, I'm Hank Walker, host of the Daily Sports Report. Giuliana isn't feeling well today, so I'm going to be your chef. So what is today's recipe?
On the counter.
Oh, it's an Italian dish called chicken con mozzarella. Looks like chicken stuffed with mozzarella cheese. Sounds delicious. Let's get started. Okay, first we need to turn on the oven. Now you always have to preheat an oven, kind of like a baseball player warming up.
That's the microwave. You want the oven.
This is a microwave? This is a microwave. Okay, so first go to the oven and turn it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's about 175 degrees Celsius. You know what? This is gonna take some time. Why don't we turn it up hotter and get the chicken cooked faster? Next, the chicken. Where's the chicken? Here, chicken. Here, chicken. Ah, here it is. It's in the refrigerator. Let's see, now what? Pound the chicken. Pound it? Pound the chicken? Really? Okay. Okay. This feels really good. Like that? Does that look good? You like that? Okay, I don't think these guys are going anywhere. Then, sprinkle the chicken with a little salt and a little pepper and spread butter on the chicken. After that, roll a strip of mozzarella cheese inside each piece of chicken. I like this. Hey, maybe Giuliana can host my sports show one day. Secure with toothpick. You know what? I don't know if those are gonna stay in place. Put one there, there. Huh? Oh! Good. Then beat 2 eggs. Okay, this is sounding like a boxing match, huh? So, scramble them. After that, roll the chicken in flour, the eggs, and breadcrumbs. Place in a baking dish. Really? Okay. Great. Breadcrumbs. And after that, we sprinkle with rosemary. I like rosemary. It smells delicious. You know what? Let's add more. Okay. Finally, we put the chicken in the oven and we bake it for 20 minutes. And if you get it right, it ought to look like this. All right, sports fans, food friends, that's our show for today.